Welding Job Referrals. A lot of companies are offering referrals for the employees that work at the present company if they can refer some good welders in. Now, they got this going on throughout the country at different locations that do MIG welding, stick welding plants, construction companies. Different companies offer this. But what I want to say is, here in Arkansas, they have a few different companies that offer it. And I want y'all to take advantage of it, fam, especially if you know someone that works there, or someone that works there say, hey, I got this referral form. You fill it out and let them know, that I sent you. Now, they get a benefit. They probably get $100, $200, $300, whatever it is for referring a good welder in. And I think if you're looking for a job and you get someone to do that to them, at least you can do is fill out the referral form and put their information. I think that can help us get ahead, family. But it's a system we got to do. And the system is called paying homage, fam. If someone come to you with a great opportunity, at least you can do is say, I got it from him. Hey, so-and-so sent me. At least you can do that, fam. I mean, the program is set up so that way they can get some good welders in, and they can benefit those who actually bring the welders in or refer them. But why would someone want to give a referral to people when they know when they get there to do the referral paperwork, they're going to see somebody they know and give it to them? Oh, man, I'm going to put your name on it. Fam, we're going to mess up the system like that, fam. So, those who I'm teaching and I'm referring people to certain spots, make sure you fill out the referral paperwork, family, and let them folks know that so-and-so sent you, so-and-so sent you. That way we can keep the ball rolling, fam. But if we get some referrals from people and you mess up the system, ain't nobody gonna want to say, even though they know, man, they need 30 welders over here, I ain't telling nobody close to me, because everybody gonna play the game raw, and all they doing is thinking about themselves or somebody they know, or giving it to a girl. Maybe it's hopefully they can get lucky or something. Fam, please, let's keep this system legit. If someone refer you, make sure that you can at least say, hey, so-and-so sent me. So-and-so sent me, whoever it is that's sending you to the company. That way we can keep this ball rolling. But there's no reason why you shouldn't remember the person who opened up the door for you, fam. If they open up the door, at least you can say is, they open up the door, but I had to do the work. You get it, fam? Someone else opened up the door, but you had to do the work. So pay homage and just say, hey, I got the referral from so-and-so, so-and-so. We keep this ball rolling. Hold on.